Hi TK friends, today you're going to be working in the book called My Corn Counting Book. And today I'm going to teach you a little bit about 10 frames. If you see this box right here, this is called a 10 frame. Down here we're going to be writing the number. And so as we work on this book, I'm going to show you what a 10 frame is and how to use it to help you with counting. So let's open up to our first page. Okay, down here it's going to tell you the number. So this says 1 corn kernel. You're going to trace the number. And then when you have a 10 frame, you're going to always fill up this top row first before you fill up the bottom row. So you're going to put 1 there, and in your book, you're going to draw 1 in the top box. Okay, next page is 2 corn kernels. So you trace it, the number 2, you add your next circle, and I have this here in my classroom. You don't have this at home, but this is just going to help you, and you're going to color in 2. Now you're not going to color on the second row. You're going to first fill up the top row of your 10 frame and then go to the next row, and I'll show you why. Okay, here comes our next page. 3 corn kernels. We're going to add another counter. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to go down here. I'm going to keep on adding across, and then I'm going to color in 3 circles. Okay, to match. Now, if you were to write the number here, you would just write the number 3 to represent 3. Okay, let's go to the next page. 4 corn kernels. Trace the number, add a counter. Okay, and then I'm going to erase this and write the number 4. Okay. 5 corn kernels. Trace the number. We're going to add another counter. And you'll notice when you get to 5, the 10 frame, the top row of the 10 frame is all filled up. It's all filled up. And so when you see 10 frames, you'll know right away, without even counting these counters, you'll know that's 5 because the whole top row is filled up. Okay, let's keep going, friends. 6 corn kernels. Okay, now when we fill in 6, you're going to take that counter and you're going to start with the next row. You're not going to put it over here. You're going to fill it up over here. You're starting on your next row to fill it up. So you're going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to match. Okay, and then don't forget to write the number. That's what 6 looks like on the 10 frame. 7 corn kernels. Trace the number, add a counter right next to that one. Okay, we're going to write the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to color it the same way. To match. There's your 7. 8 corn kernels. Trace the number, add a counter right next to that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now another way you could count this is, you know this is 5, so you could go 5, 6, 7, 8. You could count on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nine corn kernels. Trace the number, add another circle. Now you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's the big one. 10 corn kernels. Trace the number, add a counter, and you will see that when you have 10, it's going to fill up the whole 10 frame, and that's why we call it a 10 frame, because there's 10 circles in a 10 frame. So you're going to draw a circle in each box, and every time you see a 10 frame that's filled up like this, you're going to know it's 10. Then on the very last page of your book, you're going to just practice. It says, I can count to 10. You're going to practice all your numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on this last page, if you have corn kernels at your house, you could actually glue them down on that last page if you have it. Okay, friends? Have fun doing your counting book.